Friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct this complex part model in Autodesk Inventor software. From here we will see the top view, this will be the home view, rotate it and select the bottom. So this will be the bottom view. You can see this profile is hollow from inside. Okay, go to home again. So we'll construct this. So go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. Now take a 2D sketch, select the XY plane. Here take the line command. Now first we are going to make the rough sketch. So take here and make a line here like this and one like here, and this also a taper line, this here, one here, this will be a joining profile and make it over here, and this will be the closing profile. Okay, now go to horizontal constraint, select this point and select this point. Now here, okay, escape, select this and delete, go to line command, make this profile and make one face here, escape. Now go to dimension, define this dimension from center point as 200 mm. Okay, now go to line, make a center line over here, escape, select this line, make it construction. Now go to define, and here we'll define the next dimensions. So as we have defined the maximum limit dimension, so here now we will define this as 60. Okay, now the other horizontal dimension will be this will be 115, and this will be from here as 100 mm. Okay, and this dimension, first define this dimension as 60. Now define this dimension here as 50. Okay, I hope we have all defined all the horizontal dimensions. Now we will define the vertical dimensions. Select this point, select this. So this total here will be of 160 mm. Okay, now you can see the complete profile is shifting. Okay, now you can define this as 16. Okay, so here the next dimension will be, select this line and select this point. So here this dimension will be of 125 mm. Okay, now go to the parallel constraint, select this line and select this line. Okay, escape. When we define such type of dimensions, so the profile will move again and again. Okay, so there is no issue. Now here go to dimension, define this angle as 100 mm, 100 degrees, sorry, and define this dimension here as 20. Okay, here you can define this as 55. Okay, now escape. Define this as 20 mm. Okay, so this will be 20 mm. Okay, this 50, this will be now 50 mm. Okay, define this angle here as 120 degree. Okay, and this dimension from this base will be 56 mm, and this width will be 30 mm. Okay, now go to finish sketch, take revolve. So this profile will be selected, select this as axis of rotation, press OK. Now here we have multiple hole profiles and cut profiles. So we have hole profiles over here and this cut profile. So go to part 4, select this face, go to create sketch, First we are going to make the whole profiles. Go to circle, from this center point make this one circle, go to dimension, go to project geometry and project this. Escape. Now go to dimension, select this and select this. So the center distance will be 20 mm. So this is basically offset from this outer circle. Escape. Now select this yellow profile, make it a construction geometry. Select this also, make it construction. So this will be the pitch circle diameter. Go to circle command. From this, make a circle here of 17.5 diameter. Go to horizontal constraint, select the center point and select this point. Here take circular pattern, select this circle, go to axis, select this as axis of rotation and take a count of 8 and press OK. OK, go to 3D model, take extrude, select this complete profile, take haircut and press OK. OK, now same process we will follow here. Select this face, go to create sketch, take circle command. From this center point, make a circle here of 160 dia. OK, make one circle here of dia 10. Go to horizontal constraint, select the center point and select this point. OK, escape, select this circle, make it construction. Go to circular pattern, select this circle, go to axis and select this 160 dia circle. Take here a count of 8 and press OK. Go to 3D model, take extrude, select this complete profile. Here take cut. The depth of cut here will be of 30 mm and press OK. OK. Now here go to fillet. Take here a fillet radius of 10. Go to edge selection. Select this middle edge and this bottom edge. Apply and exit. OK. Now we are going to make the cut profile. So this cut profile we are going to make. Select this face. Go to create sketch. Here select this outermost circle and here take project geometry. Escape. Select this project geometry and make it a construction geometry. OK. Now here take rectangle, select 3-point center rectangle and make a rectangle profile over here. OK. Now escape. Select this line and make one line at the center point and make one horizontal line here and escape. Select both the line profiles. OK. And make them construction. Go to dimension. Define the angle between these two as 25 degree. OK. Escape. Now here go to parallel constraint. Select this line of this rectangle and select this 25-degree angle line. So they will be parallel to each other. Go to dimension. Define this width. Right click and click on align. OK. So this will be defined here as 60 mm. Select this and right click and click on aligned. Define this as 40 mm. OK. Now here go to 3D model, take extrude. Here go to cut. This will also be a through cut and press OK. OK. Now here go to fillet. Take here a fillet radius of 10. Select this inner edge, rotate and select this inner edge. Apply. Change the radius to 5. Go to edge selection. Select this outer edge, rotate and here select this outer edge. Press OK. So this will be selected. Now I want to pattern this profile as well. So go to circular pattern. Go to extrude 4, flip 3, fillet 4. Go to rotation. Select this outermost profile. Take here a count of 8 and press OK. OK. Select this top edge. Take here a chamfer of 2 mm and press OK. OK. So we have completed almost complete profile. Now from here we'll define the appearance. I'll take it chrome polished. Okay. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct this complex part model in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.